Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Today we have our 7th episode, yeah, you've heard it right, lucky number 7, of our show, No Oven, No Problem. And today's show we'll be making some oven-free peanut butter cookies. So let's go!
Here's what you'll need. Let me know in the comments below if you like the new colors or not. To make your own oat flour, simply take some oats and grind them for roughly 30 seconds. That's what it should look like. Now, in a microwave-safe bowl, take the peanut butter, add the honey, and melt it for about 50 seconds. As I was filming, I got a call, and since I'm recording it on my phone, it stopped recording. So, thanks sis! What you missed out on is me adding the oat flour, salt, and vanilla extract to the bowl. So you do that and then just mix it well till the oats soaked up everything. When you're done, take a tray with baking sheet and place a spoonful of cookie dough. You can use an ice cream scoop if you have one. I didn't have any. Shape them as you please and then to the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes. For the next part, you can melt away some chocolate or simply do what I did and use some Nutella. Dip it in as much as you'd like, about half of the cookie is more than enough. When you're done, it's back to the fridge, not freezer, till the chocolate is set. That's it! Easily made peanut butter cookies in no time and pretty much effortless. And of course, no oven included. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!